We started day 3 by leisurely walking from our hotel to Maison Nico. From there, we walked to the Ferry Building and walked around the farmers market. Oh wow, look at that. As we continued walking, I have to lower the volume of the ambiance because there was a guy singing You'll Never Find Another Love Like Mine. He was doing a cover of that Lou Rawls famous song, and I started singing to it. Well, I really have to shut it down, not only for my singing, but because of copyright reasons. We then continued walking to a hotel. I believe it was a Hyatt. Really beautiful. Then we walked roughly 10 minutes to find the most enchanting place I've seen. It's an urban oasis, and I applaud San Francisco for such initiatives to prioritize green spaces that all can enjoy. This is Oracle Park. How beautiful. And then we get this beautiful statue of Juan Marichal, giving us total Dominican pride right here in San Francisco. Here's another view of the city in Oracle Park. Stunning view from the Chase Center, home of the Golden State Warriors. I loved how there were real restaurants, not overpriced snack counters at the Chase Center, open to the public even if there was no game going on. Some cities have much to learn from this. Then we went to the campus of our son's school, had lunch, and then took an Uber to St. Mary's Church at the Assumption. The Cathedral of St. Mary of the Assumption was built to reflect San Francisco's status as a major international urban center. The preliminary sketches for the new cathedral, ranging from traditional Romanesque to California mission style, were rejected in favor of a bold new cathedral which would reflect the soul of San Francisco. The new structure is held up by four impressive corner pylons, each one designed to withstand 10 million pounds of pressure. They hold up the cupola, which rises 19 stories above the floor. The cathedral's red brick floor recalls early mission architecture and the rich heritage of the local church. We walked 16,933 steps. The next day, it was time to say goodbye to San Francisco. There are many things we loved about San Francisco. Leave me a comment if you would like to see a video of the top 3 or top 5 things we loved. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.